Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the unmatched column in WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the search bar, then click on enter. After that here we'll get the option, all the option. Then you have to simply navigate to your site option from here. Once you are in your site, here you can see we have already in our site here. Then what you need to do is simply click a part that you would like to align. So let's say I would like to align this part, then simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will get all the editing options in the top navigation bar, and here you can see that all the tools is showing here. Then what you need to do is simply click on the alignment option here, just previous to the three dot option. Once you click on that, here you will get the option of align top, align middle, align bottom, and stretch to fill. So let's say I would like to go for the stretch to fill. You have to just simply click on it. And once you click on it, here you can see that the section is already stretched to fill, and you can also do the same thing for other section as well. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.